Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. This morning, I will be talking on consider character. Consider character. There is a saying that is ascribed to Napoleon Hill, which says success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become, your character. Your reputation is who people think you are, but your character is who you truly are. So, who truly are you? Should there be a difference between these two? Most times, we are not what we present ourselves to be. We care so much about our reputation and give little or no attention to the character. We want people to think we are good even when we know we are not. For as many who are listening to me or who are watching this broadcast, who are you? Are you really whom you portray yourself to be? Your character is your unique identity in the world. It is your password to everything, and it could be strong or weak. If it is strong, it attracts success. If it is weak, it brings failure. And suffice to mention that, do you know that betrayers, backbiters, slanderers, they are people of weak character? Go and check it. So watch your character. You do not know, and you do not have to choose weakness. Just ignore strength, and you drift as fast towards disaster. For as many who have such questionable character, they drift fast towards disaster. Never be ashamed to do the right thing. Never be ashamed to stand for the right thing. Never be ashamed to remain as steadfast on the right course. I'm addressing the Kringle community now. We are on the right course, and we are not ashamed to do the right thing. We are not ashamed to prove and to profess that yes, we love TBC. We're not ashamed to call ourselves TBCians. TBC is our birthright, and that we will pursue and achieve and bring humanity back to their rightful position. So, there's no excuse for doing wrong. There's no excuse for having a questionable character. There's no excuse for backbiting. There's no excuse for slandering. There's no excuse for any form of them. There's no excuse for betrayals. You are called to grow like a tree and not like a mushroom. If your character is weak, it will be hard to work strong in life. Yeah, if you live right, you have more powers in you, silence than others who is not, though he speaks volume. Live so that your friend can define you without having to lie about it. Who are you? Are you actually what you portray yourself to be? Do not allow your friends, do not allow your loved ones to lie about who you are when they are trying to define who you are. As I speak to you, I also speak to myself. Without a solid character, most of my dreams don't see the light of the day. Character is the real strength of a man's life. And if you are listening to me and you have questionable character, backbiting, betrayers, stabbing one at the back, doing all sorts of things, guess what? As I said earlier, your dreams will not see the light of the day. Why? Because your character, your lifestyle is questionable. Without a healthy character, life's purpose can easily fizzle out like a bunch of chaff on a windy day. When it comes to achieving true success, my friend, consider a good character. So do not be someone of questionable character.